Cyber attack in Winter Olympics. Dysfunction of Apple iPhones. Malware spread by Telegram application. New Android OS with peace security features and much more coming up next in HackMate. So, in the start of February this year, South Korean hackers released a remote code execution 0-day CVE 2018-4878 in the Adobe Flash Player file, and which was already used by North Korea against South Korea, and this was found by a cybersecurity institute called HACkerCG. This Adobe Flash file with the error can be sent to you as an attachment with a mail or as a Microsoft Office document through a web page or whatever, and once you open this file in your machine, in your PC or whatever, you will be exposed to the hacker completely. On finding this issue, Adobe released a patch in the mid of February. Make sure you have the latest version of Adobe Flash Player to avoid any security issues. Grammarly is the most widely used extension in Google Chrome and Firefox like popular browsers to correct the spelling mistakes and grammar in English. An importer error has been found out by the hackers that enabled them to access 22 million of user data and documents. This was found out by Travis Ormandy, a researcher in Google Project Zero, and this error enables the hackers to access the authentication tokens of the websites by using just 4 lines of JavaScript coding. Travis has mentioned in his report that he is calling this a high severity bug because it seems like a pretty severe violation of user expectations, and users would not think that entering their personal data into a website would give permission to others to access their data, and therefore it's such a severe bug. And also he has released a proof of concept. The error was found on Friday and Grammarly released a correction on the following Monday. This is available to Chrome and Firefox now. This gets enhanced by itself, but still check your browsers and confirm it. Normally every one of us follows so many pages on FB, but we never know who are the administrators of that page or who else are the administrators of that page. Now we have a way to find this out. Mohammed A. Bassett, a hacker from Egypt, found out that this information disclosure vulnerability, and he says this is a logical error and proves that anyone without any technical knowledge can just do that within 3 seconds. And recently Facebook released a new activity where you can like a post on a page without liking the page. Later on, the page admin can send you a request to like his page, and also you will be receiving emails to like the page and follow the page. Once you click the show original tag of the mail, you will be shown the page admin's name and the ID. He exposed this to Facebook and earned a reward of $2,500. Though FB released a patch, you can still use the all mails to see the username and ID of the admins of the pages you follow. Facebook spending this much of amount for such a small error shows that Facebook is how concerned on the privacy of its users. So don't be wasting your time by searching how to hack Facebook on Google and expose yourself to danger. A hacker who hacked nothing got 3 years of imprisonment. Wonder why? This happened in USA. Taylor Huddleston, age 26, has been sentenced 33 months of imprisonment. He hacked nothing, but what he did was just designing and selling RAT, remote access tool called Nanocore, in the underground hacking forums. Taylor started designing this Nanocore in 2012 to monitor the internet activities of children with low cost. But this got famous among the hackers, though he is not involved in direct hackings anyway. More than 3,000 people and 16,000 user data was affected by this software. So this involves some VIPs once. So he was imprisoned for manufacturing and distributing this software on the basis that not only hacking but also helping hacking is also a crime. The biggest service denial attack. Yes, a distributed denial of service (DDoS) attack at an amplitude of 1.35 Tbps was recorded in GitHub website, which is the largest of all the attacks that was recorded so far. Interestingly, attackers didn't use any botnet network. Instead, weaponized the misconfigured Memcache servers to amplify the DDoS attack. Memcached is a popular open source and easily deployable distributed caching system that has been designed to speed up dynamic web and allows objects to be stored in the memory, and has been designed to work with large number of open connections. It's widely used by thousands of websites including Facebook, Flickr, Twitter, Reddit, YouTube and GitHub. This amplification DDoS attack worked by sending a forged request to the targeted Memcache server on the port 11211 using a spoofed IP address that matches the victim's IP. To prevent Memcache servers from being abused as reflectors, administrators should consider firewalling, blocking or rate limiting UDP on source port 11211 or completely disabling UDP support if not in use. Thank you. We'll meet you with more interesting news in the next episode. Bye for now.